parents, I am Chef Aradhya. Welcome back to my channel Bump to Brainiac. Today I am going to do one fun or STEM activity, that is no fire cooking. Today I am going to make a sandwich which is yummy and healthy and sweet. Then on the sandwich, put some butter on the sandwich and the cheese slice on the butter, on the bread, and the cucumber slice on the cheese slice. Is ready to eat. Take a bite. It is so tasty and yummy. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Bump to Brainiac for more helpful content. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, happy parenting.